welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this absolutely luxurious, phenomenal wig. I'm really blown away by this wig. I have never tried a wig with this kind of lace front, which I'll show you, this cap construction. So like all in all, I am overjoyed to share this style and this brand with you guys today because it's absolutely beautiful. Today I'm sharing with you guys this gorgeous blonde wig from Aly Hair. Aly Hair has some luxurious, gorgeous, high quality wigs that you guys have got to check out. I'm gonna have all the links down below to this amazing brand, and I'll give you guys some details on this company and this hair and show you a close-up of what I'm wearing today. So a little bit about Aly Hair. They started in late 2018, but their full service factory has been creating wigs, toppers, and extensions for over 20 years. They decided to come up with a cap that's lightweight and very comfortable. With their experience purchasing amazing quality hair and with their fantastic hair coloring and sewing technology, they felt like their wigs would definitely fill a gap in the market to provide not only an amazing wig, but an affordable wig. And the thing is, they've transitioned their factory to only produce Aly Hair. They no longer produce for other brands, so that gives their clients exclusive attention to technology only they have to offer. Right now, they are launching their small/medium cap, and they will be launching their medium cap later in the summer. They will also be launching their topper sometime this year as well. What's really amazing is they worked over 2 years on this cap design that I will be showing you in just a few. So first of all, I want to kind of unbox this wig. Even though she is unboxed, I have trimmed the lace, she is on, but I want to show you guys how beautiful the packaging is and the little extras that come with each order. Here is the gorgeous box that it comes in with their name right here. You can see that. This is a very sturdy, well-made box. So from the get-go, I could tell that they pay a lot of attention to detail. The wig was packed really nicely with tissue paper in this here bag. And then each wig comes with this Aly Hair white tooth comb. And it also comes with this Aly Hair bag. This is fantastic for storing your wig. It's lined, it's very well made. It's just super nice. It has this pocket right here. I'm very impressed with this bag. So it's really exciting because Aly Hair launches on the 17th of July, and during their introductory phase, which ends August 31st, you can get free shipping on orders over $100, and you also get Opalex number 7 with your order. This is just a little freebie for their launch. Also, another super exciting thing is during their launch up until August 31st, you guys can get 25% off using the code FAB25. So I'll have those links and that information down below so you don't forget. You can get free shipping, you can get free Olaplex, and you can get 25% off up until August 31st. So this here wig is in the color Blondie Root. It is absolutely divine. I hear that this color is their most popular blonde, and I can see why, because it's absolutely lovely. I love the rooting. Their coloring is so gorgeous. You have this root that kind of melts and smudges into the rest of this blonde color. I love that the root actually matches my biological hair pretty well, so I shimmied out my bio hair by the ear tabs. This wig, like I mentioned, is their small medium cap. It fits me really well. It's comfortable. It's stretchy. I'm loving the fit and the comfort of this style. Now this is like, I don't know, this isn't a super duper dense wig, but it's just enough hair to give you the hair that you've always wanted, and yet you can still have the ability to pull it up, put it in an updo, and it's nice and light and realistic looking. This blonde is very dimensional, has a lot of depth. You see some lighter blondes and some darker blondes all mixed in there. I'll show you guys a closer look of this blonde when I take this wig off. But all in all, holy Toledo, she is gorgeous. This is 20 inches with no layering, but with these wigs, you can go take them in, get them customized, and make them fit you and your style preferences. Also, Aly Hair offers complimentary consultations on their website, and they also offer follow-up support for those who need it with their new wig. Now, I did trim the lace off this wig, and I was so impressed when I first pulled out this wig because take a look at this lace front. One thing I noticed about this lace front is it has this little dip at the front. It just has this, you know, what I call an imperfect hairline, which makes it look perfect. It makes it look real. It has almost like a little bit of a widow's peak right there. The knots look fantastic, and then it transitions beautifully into this silk top. You can part it every which way, as you can see, and wear this hair as if it's your own. This scalp looks like your own scalp. It's individually hand tied one by one, and boy, they did such an amazing job. The cap is all handmade, and you'll be blown away when you see the underside of this cap and its construction. Let me do a full turnaround so you guys can see the coverage and the density of this wig from all angles. This wig has me speechless almost. I mean, usually I have a lot to say, but I mean, what do you say when it's just perfection? It feels so good. This human hair feels fantastic. This lace front is amazing. I don't know. I don't know what words to use to describe how fantastic I feel like this wig is. Now, this lace is French lace, and it was so sheer when, you know, when I had it on and it had the lace intact. You couldn't even see it on my forehead, and it came down about this far. I mean, it's so sheer that you really could not see that it was hanging over my forehead. Okay, I'm gonna take her off so you guys can see the underside of this gorgeous cap. Okay, now that she's off, I'm going to show you a closer look at this lovely Blondie Root color. You can see that, the low lights, the lighter blonde. It is so pretty. And then you have this darker root. I would say that's a medium brown root. And then take a look at this silk top. It looks like scalp. So nice. The transition between that French lace and that silk, I think, is wonderful. You can kind of see that right here. And like I mentioned, I did trim that lace earlier today, but take a look at this cap. It's so well made, and like I mentioned, it's hand sewed. So not only is this fully hand tied, each hair is individually hand tied one by one, but the cap alone is all handmade as well. This is double layered. You have this stretch cap section so it stays nice and snug. You have this comb that you can keep on if you'd like, or remove it if you please. You have these silicone ear tabs and a silicone nape. And then you have like this grippy material all through the top. So I would say that this is like fantastic for people without any hair. If you have some hair, I mean, it's going to grip and stay put, yet be very, very comfortable. That very sheer French lace goes right to the ear tabs, as you can see here. And then, like I mentioned, you have those silicone ear tabs and this fully hand-tied remaining area of the cap with that silicone extended nape and that optional comb. I'm just so impressed with this cap. It's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put her back on. Now, because my hair somewhat matches that root, I'm gonna pull out my hair by the ear tabs. I just like the way that looks, but without pulling out your bio hair. If you don't have any bio hair, it looks really great. The density of this wig is fantastic. You can definitely ear tuck this style, pull it up, twist it back, braid it. I want to have a lot of fun with this style simply because I feel like that lace front looks incredible. You could probably use a tiny bit of adhesive on that front lace if you choose, but even without it, it's staying pretty flat to the head unless I like pull it up, as you can see. But look at that, it just looks so good. Like I mentioned, this is their star cap in the small medium size. They'll be launching their medium size later on in the summer, and they'll be launching toppers sometime later this year. You guys, I cannot say enough positive things about this wig, about this brand, about the quality. Like, I'm blown away. I'm speechless. I am so thrilled to share with you guys this wig, to wear this wig. I mean, it is amazing. It is so pretty. I love the extras. I love the comb, the bag, the box, the fact that you guys get Olaplex #7 if you order before August 31st, along with that free shipping with orders over 100 and 25% off your order with the code FAB25. All that will be down below, so you guys don't forget. Definitely reach out to Aly Hair if you guys have any questions. Go follow them on their social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and check out more of their styles. They have some gorgeous pieces that they've been sharing. It's just full luxury is what I feel like it is, and I'm just blown away. So anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about this gorgeous style. Go check out Aly Hair, go follow, go drool over their gorgeous styles. I know I am. I'm so thrilled to wear this hair and just share it with you guys because it excites me so much. Let me know your thoughts, comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, comment below, or reach out to me on Instagram. And if you guys want to check out the live that I did of cutting this here lace, head on over to my Instagram. It's over there. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching again. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.